Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm starting a brand new Blender series where we'll be creating a Glock 19 from scratch. This series will cover modeling, UV unwrapping, and texturing step by step in a beginner-friendly way. Before we begin, let me show you something. This is a Glock model that I created earlier. As you can see, it looks detailed, but the problem is it's very high poly and not optimized. This kind of model is not suitable for games or real-time use. In this series, we're going to build a clean, optimized, and game-ready version from the ground up. Now, before starting, make sure to gather proper references. Don't just use a side view. Also collect images where the front and perspective are clearly visible. This will help you understand the shape much better. Once you have your references ready, we can jump into Blender and start building the model. So let's get started. First, go ahead and delete the default cube. Now switch to front view by pressing the backtick key and selecting front. Next, press Shift+A, then go to Image, then Reference, and import your reference image. You can download this from the link in the description. Once it's imported, just scale it down. Now we want to match this to real-world dimensions. For that, I'm going to open PureRef and import my reference images. It's a free software, and you'll find the download link below. You can also add multiple references here for better accuracy. Here, you can see the model's dimensions, including length, width, and height. Make sure to also check the units. In this case, they're in inches. So first, add a cube in here. Now go onto the Scene tab here. Under Units, change the unit system from metric to imperial and set the length to inches. Press N to open the transform panel. Under Dimensions, enter the correct values for each axis. To properly align our reference, we need to place it inside the cube. Go to Object Properties, then scroll down to Viewport Display, and change the display mode to wire. Next, let's fix the floor tiling. Click on the small arrow and adjust the scale value until it looks good for your scene. To prevent accidentally selecting the reference images, we'll lock them. Go to the Scene Collection and click on the filter icon. Enable the selectable option, then disable selection for the reference objects. Now we're ready to start modeling the slider. Press Shift+A, then go to Mesh and add a cube. Check the reference image, where the slider length is already provided. Press N again to open the transform panel. Under Dimensions, enter the exact value to match the reference. Alright, now match this cube with the slider part. Next, we need to bevel the top area to make it round. So go ahead and select these two edges. Before beveling, make sure the scale is set to 1. So first press Ctrl plus A and apply the scale. Now we can bevel it. Go to the Modifiers tab. Right-click and apply Auto Shade Smooth first, then increase the angle until the hard edge becomes smooth. You can also change the viewport shading by clicking on the small arrow in the shading options, switching to Matte Cap, and selecting any one you like. Alright, now let's create this part here. First, I will add an edge loop in this area. We also need a few more edge loops, so let's add them now. Here you can see that the horizontal edge loop is not continuing on the other side. This is happening because the vertices are not connected. To fix this, go to the Modifiers tab, then Generate, and add a mirror modifier. Set the mirror axis to the y-axis. You can also enable wireframe view to check if it is mirroring correctly. Make sure to enable bisect on the y-axis as well. Now apply the modifier. Next, connect these vertices here. If you're finding this helpful so far, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and keeps this series going. Move these vertices downward, and then adjust the rest to match the reference. You can switch to wireframe view if needed for better alignment. Now select these vertices and scale them on the y-axis. Okay, now let's add a cylinder and make the muzzle here. Also, after adding the cylinder, make sure to reduce its vertices 32 to 16. Now rotate it to 90 degrees and place it here. Scale it down and match it with the reference image. Again, select these edges and scale them a bit. Select this edge loop and make it sharp. We will come back to this part later. Now first let's make this part. So select these faces here. And we need to deselect these here. So go on a top view and deselect these faces. Now delete these faces from here. Okay, select this entire edge loop here, and then extrude it and scale it on the y-axis. Delete these base faces from here. Now delete this edge from here as well. Okay, now select this edge and move it here like this. Now go on to vertex mode and select this vertex. Now I want to snap this vertex here. So to do that, just come here to snapping and set the snap base to vertex. Now hold down Control and snap this vertex here. Select these vertices and snap them here as well. Scale them on the z-axis to 0 to make them straight. Now snap them here. Merge this vertex here. Okay, now let's do the same on this side as well. Select these faces in here, and then make an insert here. Scale it down, and move it here. And then select these faces as well, and delete them. Snap these vertices here. Now I need to bevel these edges here. Also, I don't need this edge loop in here, so just delete it. Now select these two edge and add a bevel to it. Now, there is an ingon in here, and we need to fix this. So first delete these two edges from here, and then snap these vertices here to make them straight. Now to fix this area, I'll add an edge loop in here, and then connect this vertex to the last vertex here. But if I try to add an edge loop in here, you can see that the edge doesn't flow all the way. So instead of adding an edge loop, what I will do is take the knife tool by pressing K, then hold down the C key to enable straight cuts and draw an edge here. Press Enter to confirm the cut. Now scale it on the x-axis to 0 to make it perfectly straight. Now we can connect these vertices using J and remove that ingon. Let's make these edges straight as well. Next, we need to add a bevel to this edge, so select it and apply a bevel. This time, increase the bevel segments to 4 so we get a smoother curve. Now I need to fix this ingon here as well. So first delete this edge, then move this vertex into place to make it straight. Now delete this edge too, and connect these two vertices. Add a vertex here and join them. Again, take the knife tool and create an edge here. Then adjust the vertices to make them straight. We actually do not need this edge loop anymore, so go ahead and delete it. Here you can see a hard edge, and that is because there are two edges overlapping, so just delete one of them. Alright, so let's stop here for part 1. In the next part, we will create the front section of the slider and then move on to the next details. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.